Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact scene you want. Choose a place, avatar, or game moment and position the camera. Once you have composition, set your display to the target wallpaper resolution so cropping is minimal. Use Roblox Studio's camera or the in-game screenshot tool and enable any high-resolution option. This preserves details. You should disable HUD and chat overlays before capturing. Make sure to test one screenshot, then confirm framing and lighting, so the final image needs minimal edits. Once done with the raw capture, import the file into an editor to refine it. You want to crop to the exact wallpaper dimensions, 1920 x 1080, 2560 x 1440, or your device's native size, so you avoid automatic stretching. Then correct exposure and color balance so skin tones and sky look natural. Increase contrast slightly and apply subtle sharpening to preserve blocky Roblox detail. Export as PNG for lossless quality or JPEG at 85% for smaller file size. Make sure edges remain clean before testing on device. You finish by moving the optimized image to the target device and setting it as wallpaper through System Settings or a Wallpaper Manager app. If the image appears stretched, make sure the device aspect ratio matches the file and recrop. Phones often use different safe areas. If blurriness appears, export at a larger resolution or use PNG and transfer via USB or reliable cloud sync to avoid compression. One quick troubleshooting tip: recapture with HUD off and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.